I'm sure if you guys have seen the last vlog, you know that next vlog is going to be something on traveling. And if you've guessed that, you guys are absolutely correct, because it's me, Ketan and Akshay traveling to Mussoorie today. And Mussoorie, so basically Mussoorie is a region in northeast side of Poland. It's called the City of Lakes, and we are going to explore this city called Olsztyn in Mussoorie. And we have booked a cab from BlaBlaCar to reach Mussoorie, because it's one of the fastest way to reach there, and moreover it was a very cheap option as well. So if you guys want to travel to Mussoorie, BlaBlaCar is also a very good option. And now we are waiting for our cab, or rather the service provider, and let's see, she might be reaching here in another 5 to 10 minutes. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video, or rather this series of Mussoorie. Okay, and here comes our cab. I hope it's going to be an awesome trip, because after it's been a long time that we've been to trip. So let's go. Okay, so here we go, and we are in the cab. It's Akshay, Ketan. So we have already left from Warsaw City for Mussoorie, and it's about 3.5 hours to 4 hours drive. Okay, so almost traveling for about 2 hours now. We have reached somewhere in the middle, but I'm not very sure what place is this exactly. But we've crossed Magdalen, and we've stopped for coffee and a bio break. So yes, we are here at it's the petrol station. There are no people to help you fill the petrol. You have to do it by your own. And now it's more 1 or 1.5 hours to go to reach Olsztyn. And yes, so far the journey has been good, and we've made new friends also. The one who owns the cab and her daughter. So yes, it's a quite interesting journey. And alright, so it is 7:15 in the evening now, and we have reached Olsztyn, and our the person who got us till here was kind enough to drop us right near our Airbnb, and we had a very nice drive all through this while. And I think there's no much light here, so I might as well get into our room and get back. Okay, so our apartment was on 4th floor or 5th floor. I'm not very sure, and we are super exhausted climbing the stairs up, but our apartment is amazing. It's worth to stay here. Good morning, guys. It's such a beautiful morning in Mussoorie, and it's a wonderful trip till here. But long story short, actually this plan was an all of a sudden plan. It was not something that we've been planning since long. It was just a day before yesterday that we have made all the bookings and we planned for this trip. So we couldn't really find buses or trains, so we thought of getting this BlaBlaCar, and our drive was wonderful. So Olsztyn city is a city of students, they say, because there are a lot of students here. There's a university, Olsztyn University, which is quite famous, and there are students coming here from abroad. There are dormitory options also. There are hostels here, and I'm really sorry for my swollen face. But then I'm sure once Ketan and Akshay are up, I won't be able to vlog, and we'll be in a hurry to leave. So that's why I thought of doing it now. And yes, there are a lot of hostel options, there are a lot of Airbnb options, there are hotels as well, but hotels are a little expensive. So first we thought we will stay in an Airbnb, and which is very nice. I mean, our room is quite, I cannot say it's spacious, but for three people it's quite enough, and at a reasonable price. We got this around 500 zlotys for 2 nights and 3 days, so which was quite good enough. And yes, that was about our journey and about our stay here. Talking about Missouri, it's one of the most beautiful places in Poland. I'm sure you must be able to hear the sound of birds chirping around, and it's a very beautiful place. And our Airbnb is right in middle of the forest, so there are a lot of trees around us, and it's very cold. It's around 8 to 9 degrees now, and I'm just in a jumper, but I'm feeling very cold now. But yes, the sun also a little warm, so but I'll show you guys the view around me right now. And the time right now is 6:30 in the morning, and all of a sudden I've become an early bird. I've started waking up early in the morning, and these guys, if they wake up now because of my voice and my disturbance, they're going to kill me. They'd already warned me in the night before sleeping that I shouldn't be waking up early, but then I couldn't help it. I just woke up, and I had this beautiful view. But for now, the most cliche transition. Alright, it's 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and we have left now. Like I said, we are here to relax. We just wanted some change, and that's why we just took our time, and that's why we've left also late. So yes, you can see the surrounding. There's this way to a small lake, and yes, we are going to that lake, and it's just 2 minutes walk. I mean, I'm vlogging and I can see the lake right in front of me. So I really like the sound of this leaves cracking up, the dried leaves, and yes, it's okay. Sometimes this kind of things that you do also makes you happy. But nevertheless, now we are going to Old Town, and it's about 3 kilometers from our Airbnb, and we decided to walk and instead of taking bus, but you have bus facilities also. And you know what, guys, this Olsztyn city is just 100 kilometers away from Russia, I mean the Russian borders. So we are not going there, but you obviously need a separate visa for it. This is not included in the Schengen visa, but I'm just letting you know for the information sake. So this is a post office, guys. So we are in the Old Town now, for the Old Town of Olsztyn, and we are looking for a restaurant. The lady who drove us yesterday, BlaBlaCar, had suggested us a few restaurants, so we are just going on the way in one of those restaurants. So yes, we are going to have our lunch there. And yes, the Ola is very, it's quite compact, but it's good, it's nice. So now we are at this restaurant called Yakubek. So Yakub's is nothing but dumplings or pierogi. But yes, there are too many variations in Yakubeks. And we are waiting. We've just ordered Ruski Yakubeks, which is the Ruthenian Yakubek, and maybe I'll just go with a coffee with it. And these guys have ordered something else. I don't know what. This is Yakubek. So we are just done having Yakubeks, and it was delicious. And we were actually very surprised because the prices were so low. They were so low, like 10 pieces of Yakubs in just 10 zlotys, and one full plate is like way too much for a person. So the food is also quite cheap here. But you guys should try Yakubeks if you come here from this restaurant. I will link the name of the restaurant in the description box, and you can just come here. Okay, so we have come to this fountain, and the name of this place is Fish with a Child, and you'll get to know why is it called that. And now just a few stairs upwards, there's a beautiful castle here. And just few steps from the castle, there's an amphitheater here. So everything is pretty close. All the places are very close to each other. So you can just visit all these places on foot. You don't really need to have any kind of transport, so it's quite good. And look what we found. Oh boy. I was actually talking about the Indian flag. It's an Indian restaurant there. So we have almost reached the beach, 1 minute away, and I am absolutely drop dead. You can see that from my face itself. Certainly this place is gorgeous. Lovely place, guys. I hope you all are enjoying this video. I know it's a little long one, but what? Coffee lena hai? No, I don't mind.
Can I go?
Yes. Yes, of course. Don't throw me. ए हाँ एक्चुअली यार प्लीज इधर 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 ही
इधर ही चल, कोने कोने में चलेंगे,
कहीं ज्यादा आगे नहीं. Oh God, all three of us are very scared of water, but then it's okay. Probably we are not even going to take 1 hour to do this, but we'll just quit before that only. And that I'm sitting behind on the opposite direction. It's even more scary. Done with our boating, and we're having this now, potato crisps, and yes, we'll have our dinner in some time and then leave for our apartment. And yes, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. We've also enjoyed this day a lot, and if you've liked this video, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And yes, there are many more vlogs to come from Olsztyn city, so do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, you guys take care. Bye bye.
ओ भाई नहीं है कुछ खाने को.